Just got done with another Tesla Model 3. Let me do a quick walk around. Whole car has been Satin Guard wrapped, so now it's this nice satin matte translucent white. I'm trying to show you the dimensional effect of Satin Guard. Right here, you kind of see the gloss, but then over here, you see a little bit more of the matte and the satin effect. We had to do an EVS custom hood on this. The entire hood was hand trimmed, really settable next to another white Model 3. You know there's something different about it. Our most popular satin black chrome delete running on the window trims, the door handles, the badges. All the windows are tinted too, the sides, the back, the front windshield. So heat rejection is not a problem, especially during the summertime. We also lowered the 3 on some springs, making those wheels just fit much nicer. Plus it also helps with the handling too. Vorsteiner VFF-109 and carbon graphite, 21 inches guys. Red center captures to kind of make it pop a little bit more. We took off the entire rear badge and replaced it with these really cool Tesla rear badge lettering. So it's satin black in the middle, but then on the edges it's like this nice pop of red. If you want your Model 3 to look like this, or you have a totally different idea that you want to do with your Model 3 or Tesla or any other car, let us know, hit us up. Our contact info is in the description down below.